Hey Sugar, today I am bringing you one of my most requested cake recipes, my from scratch chocolate cake, the only chocolate cake recipe that you will need for sheet cakes, round cakes, cupcakes, and mini cupcakes. Here are some examples of how I've used this recipe before. One cake, 4 formats, and worth all of the calories. Here's the best homemade chocolate cake recipe. Take a screenshot and find the links to the ingredients that I use in the description below. Make sure everything is at room temperature. Line your sheets, rounds, or cupcakes. Prep the wet ingredients, eggs, milk, and vanilla. Sift all of the dry ingredients together and set them aside. Flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. I'm using a hand mixer to make it easier to demonstrate the recipe, but you can definitely use a stand mixer. Combine your butter and sugar and cream for 5 minutes. It almost doubles in size and lightens a lot. Scrape down the sides along the way. Add the eggs one at a time until just incorporated on low speed. Add vanilla with the last egg. Grabbing the dry ingredients and wet ingredients, on low, add about 1/3 of the flour mixture to the batter and mix to incorporate. Add half the liquid and mix to combine. Then add more flour. Add the second half of the milk mixture. In summary, dry, wet, dry, wet, dry. Always end on dry. This is how I avoid curdled batter. Also, if the batter curdles, then the ingredients might not be at room temperature. Now that we're all mixed, here is when I like to preheat the oven. Time to distribute to your formats. For the rounds, spread the batter to the edges of the pan. I don't butter the pan because I like for the batter to crawl up the sides evenly and minimize shrinkage. I spread the batter amongst 5 rounds, then bang. For the sheet, spread out evenly. You can make an X across to make sure it gets into the sides. Bang to make sure everything settles into the edges. I use a scooper to distribute the cupcakes and mini cupcakes. The size of the scoopers really depends on preference, but I'll link what I use below. Place the soon-to-be fluffy and tasty chocolate cake in the center of the oven and bake. When ready, use a toothpick to see if it's done. There should be about 5 crumbs on the toothpick. It continues to bake when out of the oven. Let cool completely for about 30 minutes. And here are all the formats. For this video, I'm trying something different with the formats and sharing the image. Here's the round. The sheet cake, the edges are nice and sharp. I flip the sheet cake over and decorate on the bottom because I like those sharp edge corners. The cupcakes, the mini cupcakes. Perfect for decorating. If this video is helpful at all, like, share, subscribe, and in the comments below, let me know what projects you want to see me do next. I love hearing from you. I love reading all of your comments. And in the meantime, please tag me so I can see your projects. I hope you have a stellar week, and I will see you soon. Bye! Hey, baby cakes, that microphone's not for you.